Okay, I think I'm more excited than anybody on this call because I've been part of Healy for about an year, and none other than Pushpadev Sharma brought Healy into my life about a year ago, and I just had a leap of faith. I had no idea what I was buying or what I was doing because I actually joined in as a networker. And within 15 days, I realized no, this is something else. This is directly a message from universe for me and for my family. And the journey started. And here I am after 1 year. Let me tell you what happened to me. About 4 years ago, menopause knocked the door without any notice. And my life literally came crashing down. And this was around the time of Corona. I used to be very worried what's wrong with me. And my daughter identified, I think you've hit menopause. And then I was having bloating, I was having acidity. I used to be awake from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock like an owl, could not breathe and need to do yoga. And still, I don't get deep sleep. So, about 4 years, I've been suffering. I have sciatica pain. I stopped wearing heels. I can't go for long walks. I can't do my yoga the way I want to do. Too much of pain. So much so that the acid reflux in my body was so much. Wherever you will tap in my body, I will start burping. And then one therapist told me, you stop coffee, you are now intolerant to lactose, you are intolerant to gluten and coffee. I'm like, what? I was never having any food imbalance. What is just happening in my life? And to top it all, having a recession kind of a thing in our business, which came after Corona, depression and anxiety to the top. And there comes Healy. I started using it. And 2 months into Healy last year, and I said, let me have a coffee with toast. And believe me, I didn't have any bloating, I didn't have any diarrhea, nothing. And I'm like, maybe this is a miracle. Let me try again. And I'm having rotis, I'm having puris, I'm having whatever I want. And I have no issues, absolutely. My sciatica pain has vanished, okay? With the hand, which I was not able to do anything. And my daughter had to massage me every day. Now I can make 50 rotis without a problem. I can chop how many vegetables I want. And I have freedom of doing what I want and eating what I want. Most important, let me tell you guys, my sleep is back. I sleep like a baby. And I don't know in last 4 years, when was I able to sleep for 8 hours? So this is an amazing device. It is science, and believe in science. You guys are lucky that it's there right now. Okay. My husband was also going through depression. About a month ago, he told me, you know what? I think I can conquer the world. It's all gone. I don't have any fear in nothing. It's like we are ready to take on the world again. And I'm like, yeah, really? And he's also happy and excited about life. And he's got so many different business opportunities. And most importantly, he has healed his kidney stones. So, and that happened only in 2 days. I gave him the Mag Healy Kidney Meridian program and the Healy Kidney Meridian program. And to my surprise, in the evening, he says, I think I don't have the pain. So he just follows whatever I tell him. He says, I don't understand what is Healy, but I'm going to follow whatever you are saying. And he also jokes, my God, you've become a healer. And Healy has really, really changed the frequency and vibration of my life. And I think it's given me a good direction of reaching out to people, healing them as well. And I have a very huge story to tell you. But before that, my daughter also benefited from Healy. She was pregnant when we got the Healy. And she said, oh my God, she's a Reiki healer. And she said, when will I use it? I said, only remote healing, darling. So I gave her a lot of Australian bush flowers and back flowers. And she had such a calm and exciting pregnancy, no issues. Now she has delivered. And even now, she says, can you help me? Today I'm down and please send me healing. And whenever I send her healing, whether it is for her pain or anything, it really benefits her. Remote healing is just magic with Healy. I have to tell you something very exciting that happened last year, which pushed me to come on this call. So I got a call from my friend from India, and she knew I do healing with Healy, and I am into healing and holistic healing. So she said, Sheetal, I have a problem. I said, what? So she said, my fallopian tubes are blocked. I have a big infection, and the doctors have told me I won't be able to conceive. And if I do surgery, it is painful and whatever. I said, okay, I will send you healing. So her doctor also spoke to me, and she said, I don't know what she's saying, but if she says so, why don't you start her healing? 6 weeks, I gave her healing about 1.5 hours to 2 hours every day. And she called me last week and she said, I have a good news for you. And she sent me her report before and after. Her fatty liver is cleared, her fallopian tubes are cleared, and she is so excited about life, right? So this is something next level, and I can go on for 1 hour because last 1 year, whatever I'm using and whatever my team is using, we have such amazing results, right? So most importantly, I would like to thank a couple of people on the call. One is, of course, Pushji. Lifetime thank you for making sure that I buy Healy, I stay in the Healy community, and I do it whatever it takes, right? Secondly, Leena and Vikas, I have been attending a lot of your calls, and you've been a great help for me to give me a good base of understanding what Healy is. And also, Petra Tezak. I cannot forget this angel. What an amazing lady, what an amazing healer, and the kind of guidance she has given us is amazing, guys, right? So, thank you very much, Petra. And the man behind Healy, Marcus Schmeke. Oh my God. I think we are all blessed that he got some message from the universe and he made Healy. He's talented, whatever it is. And he keeps improvising, he keeps adding. And it's amazing to be part of this particular community. And one more thing, this is something amazing. So, since childhood, I have a phobia. I can't stay alone in the house in the night. I will put all the lights on, and until somebody is with me, I can't sleep. And if I'm left alone in the house, I will sleep 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the morning. This is for real, guys. Okay. About a month ago, after I lost my mother, I was alone. And Girish told me that, okay, I'm going out for a meeting. I said, okay. No, I'm going to come late. I said, all right. Are you going to be okay? Are you going to be awake? I said, no, you go, I will sleep. He was shocked. When he came, I was alone and I slept. I said, maybe this is just a miracle. But it has happened again and again. So, phobia also Healy will clear. And from my side, with my experience, whatever I had, whatever programs you're scanning and whatever programs you're doing with the pink application, please do take support of Aura, coaching, and all the database programs. They are fantastic. The Courage, Schussler salts, creative homeopathy, flower therapy, gems therapy, whatever shows you the highest percentage, vibrated every day in the morning. You will see amazing results. The energy shifts very slow but sure. Okay. So thank you very much for this opportunity, and let's rock the Healy community. And I'm so thankful to be part of this beautiful community. Yeah. Thank you very much.
I just took Pushar on the call because he's the angel behind what Sheetal has created, such magical stories in her life. And we really want Pushar to say a few words.
I have made some 1,000 calls to him.
Actually, every time, almost every day, we are on call, and every time I call and talk to Sheetal, I hear some amazing stories. Like every time I said, "Oh yeah, it's happened like this." I mean, she's building a very big team in Canada, and now I think she has got a team of nurses from Canada, and she's training them every day on how to heal and all that. And she's planning to open Philippines in a big way. So a lot of things are happening now, a lot of things. And thank you, Sheetal, for sharing such amazing testimonies. And yes, it's really a blessing to have Healy with us. It really changes almost everything in our life. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you once again. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.